Many people don't know about finance at age 25, and it's too late. You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding finance. What I wish I knew at 18 about money could have saved me years of stress. Let's fast track your financial freedom journey. Financial freedom might sound like a big, scary goal, but it's totally doable. Start with a simple budget. List your income and expenses. This helps you see where your money's going and where you can cut back. Next, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. It's your safety net for unexpected costs. Got debt? Tackle it with the snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first, then move to the next. It's all about building momentum. And don't forget to invest. Even small amounts can grow over time. Look into index funds or robo-advisors if you're just starting out. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Stay consistent, stay patient, and you'll see progress. Subscribe for more tips on your journey to financial freedom.